Now I'm going to begin the third rule of removal of bracket. So till yet I have discussed two rules. First rule was used when your question contains square bracket, curly bracket, small bracket and vernacular. In that case, first of all, we shall remove square bracket, then curly bracket, then small bracket, and at last bar bracket. That is vernacular. Second rule I have told you, if your question contains square bracket, curly bracket and small bracket, then order of removal will be, first of all we should remove the small bracket, thereafter curly bracket, and finally we shall remove square bracket. Two cases I have discussed. Now let's begin the third case. When brackets used are a small bracket and curly bracket, it means your question contains only two brackets, curly as well as the small. So order of removal, removing the brackets is, firstly remove the small bracket and then remove the curly bracket. This order should be strictly followed. Now note down a few points. If there is a plus sign before a bracket, then the bracket is removed without changing the sign of any term inside the bracket. Try to understand this rule. First rule, if there is a plus sign outside the bracket, then inner sign of the bracket will never change. It means we shall not change the sign inside the bracket. Example I have given, say plus in the beginning, a small bracket contains x minus y plus z. Then because we have the plus sign outside the bracket, here we not change the sign inside the bracket. So what we get, simplified result here, x minus y plus z. And now see, as per the multiplication rule also, if no sign means plus sign, I have told you earlier also, second way of thinking, plus plus plus, so we get the plus is obvious to us. If we not write, still it is there, so plus x we get, that is x only. Now plus minus minus, we get the minus, that's why we got a minus y here. Then plus plus plus, we have got a plus z. So this way we use this first rule that I have discussed. Second one, if there is a plus sign and a number outside the bracket also, see, then we don't change the sign and simply multiply by the number. You see, I have told you earlier to the student itself this thing, but I repeat it again because here I am discussing the basics concepts of the chapter, and you have to thoroughly understand and stick to this rule. Then you find the topic easy and understand easily. Now see, so 7 you multiply, 7 into x, 7x we have got here. Then 7 into y, 7y we have got here. And 7 into z, 7 into 2z, 7 to the 14, so 14z. Now see, sign side come. I have told you sign will not change. So see, earlier it is no plus sign, that is no sign means plus sign. So it is just simply written as 7x here. Now it is minus here, so it is minus here only. 7 into y we get 7y, so we have written it 7y here. Then plus is written 7 to the 14, so we have got 14z. So obtain is your 14z. Second rule, if there is a minus sign before a bracket, if there is a minus sign before the bracket is removed by changing the sign of each term inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, each term sign will be changed. Example I have given you. Minus is in the beginning, in small bracket, x minus y plus z. So what we get here after? Minus plus minus we should get. What did tell you? What you have told you? If minus outside, the sign will change. So it is earlier plus, so it become minus. So we have got minus here. It is earlier minus, so it should be the plus changed one. So we have got plus y. It is plus, so it should be the minus z. So that's why we've got minus x plus y minus z. Let's take one more example. Minus 4 multiplied by 2x minus y plus 3z. Here see, sign will not change, or sign will be changed because outside the minus sign is there. And simply we have to multiply by 4 each of these terms. Okay, what we've got? 4 2s are 8 minus 8x, then minus minus plus plus 4y, and then minus plus minus minus 12z. So obtained is your required answer. Minus 8x plus 4y and minus 12z. Now let's take a question. Exile 1C, first question I am taking to. See, evaluate 18 minus 20 minus 15 divided by 3. So what should you do? BODMAS should be followed. Inside the bracket we have to simplify. 15 divided by 3. What we get? 5 only. 3 5 are 15. It step will become now 18 minus 20 minus 5. Let's simplify further in the bracket. 20 minus 5, 15. Now what we got? 18 minus 15, that is 3. So obtain 15 is your answer. Thank you very much, children. May God bless you all with wisdom, knowledge and success. Thanks.